Hi, I'm Kari, and this is
Maeve,
And how old are you?
8.
You're like, why are you asking me questions you already know? We're going to talk about making some bath salts. So a super easy DIY. What oil do I put in your bath every time you have a bath?
Lavender.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Well, easy answers. So today's the easiest thing. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. So I got the cutest little jar. I'm going to make some bath salts. So this is what I have at home, but I'm going to make this as a gift for someone else. So I'm going to show you a couple cute little things you can get. This I got at Superstore, so just your regular grocery store. This little jar I got at the dollar store, but I like these little ones for gifts or giveaways. If I was making it for myself, I might use a bigger jar like this just to have in the bathroom. So all these are Epsom salts. So we're doing a 2-ingredient DIY, the easiest thing ever. So Epsom salts, I probably got these in bulk somewhere, I don't even remember. You can get them all over the place. And all we're gonna do, I've filled it half full, but Maeve is gonna add about, let's go for, because it's a small one, let's go for 15 drops. So Maeve's gonna add 15 drops. Go for it. Are you counting? Good. Awesome. Okay, you got 15 in there?
Yeah.
And then I would mix that around. I put it half in there so I could add more salts and then mix it around. And then basically, you are done. It smells
Good.
amazing. Does it make you want to go to sleep? Because you always smell that when you go to sleep. So sometimes to add a little mix, I would add maybe wild orange. And I'm going to give you a couple little tips here. So you're going to see in this one, this is my Epsom salts, but in here is an old bottle that was empty, but I wanted to get the most out of what was left in the bottle. So this was Serenity. So I scooped some of the salts in here to get and soak up the rest of the oils. The other thing too that I do is I peel out the rubber stopper once the bottle is empty, and I stick that in the Epsom salts. So the Epsom salts are going to soak up all the remainder of that oil in there. And so with something like this, I'm just finishing up this Immortelle, really valuable oil and incredibly powerful oil. I would do the same thing. I would stick this into my Epsom salt so it soaks up the rest of the oil in there. And then because we're in the bath, I'm going to show you something else. It's just a general health tip as well. So in order to create filtered water for Maeve's bath, this is a charcoal water filter. So I put this on, whoops, see if we can get this. I just put this on the end over the water spout when the water is running, and then she gets filtered water instead of water that has as much of the chemicals, chlorines, fluorides, things like that, soaking into her skin. So she's got filtered water when she goes into her bath. So I think that's about it. Super easy DIY, simplest thing ever. All we're gonna do is add a little more Epsom salts to top it up, shake it up a little bit, and then this is a beautiful little gift for a friend or whatever. So simple, so easy. And then just remember, take your old oils. If it's things like sandalwood or lavender or frankincense and you want that in your Epsom salts for your bath, then just add them into your own Epsom salts so you can really get the beauty of that last little bits of oil into your Epsom salts. So, did you learn something today?
Yes.
About Epsom salts?
Yes.
Now you know how easy it is to make them?
Yes.
And the ones you've used have had lavender in it, or wild orange, or we just put, if we're not using the Epsom salts, we just put the lavender directly into her bath because you can use it neat, so we just drop it in. If it was a spicier oil like peppermint, we might put it into Epsom salts and then put it through the bath. So I hope that helps. Super easy DIY. Awesome little gift ideas, and enjoy. Try it out.